You're right there, Mark from 6 Plus Save here. Hoping you're all keeping well. So this video here, as you can see by the title, it's an unusual but very good use for your ultrasonic cleaner. And it's not going to be anything like cleaning out an airbrush or anything like that. It's going to be something a bit different for your miniature hobby exploits. So catch me in a minute and I'll show you what I'm on about. Alright, so we're here at the workstation. We've got the airbrush in the top corner. I've been spraying up some Rohirrim in the corner, so you can tell this area is actually used. But anyway, I digress. This is the ultrasonic cleaner that I've got here, and it cost me a grand total of £20. Fine. You'd normally think, oh, I'm going to use it for cleaning my airbrush. Fine, I do. You could clean your glasses with it and so on and so forth. So there's a multitude of different things. Jewellery, watches, blah, blah, blah. But one thing that came to mind when I was at work, it just came to my mind on lunch, was when you have resin miniatures and metal miniatures, you're advised to put them in hot soapy or warm soapy water and give them a scrub with an old toothbrush, old brush to remove the release agent. But you need to really give it a good scrub into the crevices and the creases. Because if I grab, say, this Rohirrim model here, and let's say I don't clean underneath in that arm bit there, the problem is, when I try and paint it, it's going to, run off. Alright, so it depends on how good you are at, scrubbing away and how much time do you actually want to put on the model. Now, if we go back onto the ultrasonic cleaner here, this gets into all the nooks and crannies. That's the idea of it. So, a lot of these ones come with some form of basket. So all you got to do is put some, detergent of some sort in there, a small amount, not too much, with some water, and just put your mini in there. Just be careful, and just put it on a cycle. So this one goes up in lots of 1.5 minutes, like 90 seconds. So I normally put it on the maximum. I do a good 2 or 3 cycles. You'll learn through your own force habit. Okay? And you just put it on the cycle and you just hit go. I'm not going to do it now because it does make a high-pitched vibration and it'll pick it up in the video. But that's it. Short, sweet, simple video clip. If you have an abundance of resin models, metal models or anything like that need to be cleaned, honestly, get one of these. It's £20. You put it to one side. There's no harsh chemicals used. It's water and soap. Some form of kitchen detergent of some sort, just to help clean it. It's the stuff you'd be using to clean the model anyway. But anyway, I hope this has been useful. Any other examples that you can think of, please put it down below. I've got a couple more in the back of my mind of little things that you wouldn't quite think an ultrasonic cleaner could do, or other appliances for the hobby interest. But more the merrier. Please comment down below. If you like the video, please like. If you dislike, you dislike. Comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. All the usual things which are very important on YouTube. Can't emphasize enough. But anyway, thank you all for hanging around and watching this long. Hope it all helps you out. But anyway, you all have a fantastic rest of your day and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.